You searched how to buy shares of Bank of Queensland Limited, a retail bank in Australia listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker BOQ.ASX. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify the account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BOQ.ASX to locate Bank of Queensland Limited. Select the matching listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Verify the CBOE AUS listing and the BOQ.ASX ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy into the amount you want to allocate, then review order details such as order type and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you wish to visit the platform.